Okay, thank you, Trivan. Okay, okay, I will repeat again. So to diminish the roots of an equation by h. So original equation is, this is the original equation we have. Polynomial of degree n, f of x is equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 and so on plus an equal to 0. So this is equation 1, whose roots are alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n. So from this, we need an equation whose roots are alpha 1 minus h, Okay. Here there is a problem. Okay, the net is disconnected, but only one student sent a message. Sir, you left the meeting, but I don't know the name. I need to record it again. I think recording is there. Okay. Whether you know the screen? Screen தெரியுதாப்பா?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yes, actually, I'm asking the question here. Okay, diminish. Please write the problem. Diminish by 1 the roots of x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 7x square.
Sir, your screen is not shared, sir.
So that's why I'm asking. Okay. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how you will solve this problem? Actually, I left the meeting. I am asking the question. No one is responding. So that's why I want to see the names. So no one is there. Okay. I feel that I left the meeting and then I saw the message here. Okay. So it is better to ask some question. Then only I know that I am in the meeting or not. Okay. So please tell how to solve this problem.
By substituting y plus 1 in x, sir,
Uh,
and solving.
Actually, you need to replace by what? Y equal to what? X minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Because x is the root of this equation, I need to diminish. Okay, I need to reduce by 1. So x is equal to y plus 1. Substitute x is equal to y plus 1 everywhere. You will get the equation. You will get an equation. If you need to solve this equation first. Okay, solve this equation and find the roots. Find the roots. But originally I need the roots of this equation. Okay, so you need to add 1. Okay, plus 1 in each of the roots of this transformed equation. Then you will get the roots of this equation. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, but now I am not going to use that method because I am going to use a shortcut method. So, if you want, you can do this method. X power 4 minus 4x cube minus 7x square plus 22x plus 24 equal to 0. So this is equation number 1. Okay. So now write the coefficients 1 minus 4 minus 7 22 24 and then diminish by 1. Okay, you'll write here 1. Okay, this 1 I am writing here and multiply 1 into 1 1 minus 3 add again multiply add again multiply minus 10 so 12. Okay, multiply 1 into 12 add 36. So this is the constant term. So next, similarly, you need to proceed. Okay, 1. Multiply 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 12, minus 12, 0. This is the coefficient of x. Okay. Next, if you want to write 1, this 1 you can write 1. 1. You write 1 here, and then 1, minus 1. Okay, minus 1, minus 13. This is coefficient of x square. And finally, finally 1. This is 1. Okay, 1 into 1, 1. So this is 0. This is a coefficient of x cube. And then this one is coefficient of x power 4. Okay. So now please tell the transformed equation. I'll write in the next page. Transformed equation is x power 4
minus 13x squared
plus minus or plus
0 into x cube.
yeah 0 into x cube. Okay,
Minus 13x square
minus 13x square.
plus 0 into x
0 into
Yeah, plus 0 into x.
plus 36.
36.
Yeah, plus 36. Thank you, Prashant and Purachandra. Okay, and this is okay. Just I'll write x power 4. Only the non-zero terms. Minus 13x square plus 36 is equal to 0. I call this is equation 2. Okay, now put you can solve directly. Okay, so put x square equal to t in 2. So you have t square minus 13t plus 36 is equal to 0. So this is t minus 9 into t minus 3, 4. So t equal to 4 and 9, but t equal to x square equal to 4 comma 9. So x is equal to plus or minus 2 and plus or minus 3. So the roots of equation 2 are roots of equation 2 are okay. I'll write in the increasing order: minus 3, minus 2, and then 2, and then 3. Okay. So now I need the roots of equation 1. Okay. So roots of equation 1 are minus 3 plus 1 because I need to add 1, and then minus 2 plus 1, and then 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. So the roots of the given equation are roots of equation 1 are minus 2, minus 1, 3, and 4. Okay. So next problem. form the equation. I think it is there. Form the equation whose roots exceed by 2 are the roots of this equation. 4x power 4 plus 32x cube plus 83x square plus 76x plus 21 equal to 0, and hence solve it. Okay, so you can do by this method also. That is, you need to replace y is equal to x plus 2. Okay, y is equal to originally you have x, so exceed means or increase by 2. From this, x is equal to what? Y minus 2. So replace x by y minus 2, and then you need to apply a binomial theorem for first, okay, and then you can get it. And then you need to collect the coefficient of y power 4, coefficient of y cube, and then coefficient of y square, and constant term. Okay, but I am not going to do by that method. I feel that it's a little bit lengthy. Okay, so solution. So I'll write to 4x power 4 plus 32x cube plus 83x square plus 76x plus 21 equal to 0. I call this is 1. So I need to increase the roots of roots by 2. So for this I am going to do diminish. Instead of increasing by 2, I am going to diminish the roots by minus 2. Both of them are equivalent. Diminish the roots of equation 1 by minus 2. So if I do, okay, I don't have enough space, I need to do it. I will go to the next page. So please tell first row. First row is what? 4, 32, 83,
76, 21.
4, 82, 32, sorry. 32, 83,
76, 21, sir.
76, 21. Okay. So diminished by minus 2. So 4 minus 8, 24 minus 48. This is what? 5, 3, 35 minus 76 minus 12, so 9. So this is the constant term. Okay, if you want, you can write it. Minus 2, again 4 minus 8, 16 minus 32, 3 multiply minus 6, 0. This is coefficient of x. Minus 2, 4 minus 8, 8 minus 16. So this is minus 13. Constant term, coefficient of x square. Minus 2, 0. Oh, there is not to put 0 here. Just add 4, minus 8. So this is 0. This is coefficient of x cube. This is coefficient of x power 4. So the transformed equation is x power 4, okay, minus 13x square, the constant term plus 9 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now substitute x square equal to t. So you'll get 4t square, 4t Yeah, 4t square minus 13t plus 9.
Sorry, x equal to plus or minus 1.
Correct, Kamini.
Sir, one sir. Plus or minus 3 by 2.
Plus or minus 3 by 2. Yes, correct. Yes. So t plus 9 equal to 0. So what is the roots here have? T equal to what?
Sir, 1, comma 9 by
1,
4.
1 and 9 by 4. So, but t equal to what? X square. So, x square equal to 1 and 9 by 4. So, x is equal to plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 3 by 2. So, the roots of equation 2 are minus 3 by 2, minus 1, and then 1, and then 3 by 2. So now I need the roots of equation 1, given equation. Roots of equation 1 are, how to find minus 3
You
by
have to
2,
add it to, sir.
Minus 2.
minus 3 by 2.
Subtract.
So diminish பண்ணிருக்கோம். We need diminish by what? Minus 2.
Plus 2, sir.
So plus of minus 2.
Minus 2.
Okay, va? Okay, plus you need to add minus 2. Okay, va? That is the meaning. Similarly, yeah.
Sir, even though we have used diminishing, sir, but in the question they have asked exceeding by 2, sir. So doesn't that mean we should add 2, sir?
No. Actually, that's why here, exceed by 2. They are asking.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not. But instead of exceeding by 2, but what I done it here,
Diminishing, sir.
diminishing by minus 2. Both of them are equal.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, I actually instead of increasing by 2 plus 2, I done it diminishing by minus 2. Okay. So finally I need to again add what? I need to add, because I done diminish minus 2. So that's why I need to add minus 2. Okay, that means,
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but diminishing means subtracting only, sir.
Yeah, I heard minus 2.
Yes, sir.
That means what? I subtracted minus 2 means what? I added 2.
Okay, sir. In the
I
last
added
step,
2. The last step, I am adding minus 2. So that means finally you have what?
minus 2, sir.
Okay, got it?
Okay.
Suppose if you have a doubts, find out the roots and then check it using calculator. Okay. So now here minus 1 plus of minus 1, 1 plus of minus 1, 3 by 2 plus of minus 1. Okay.
Sir, minus 2, sir.
Minus 2. Okay, sorry. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So in answer, first in answer. So minus 7 by 2.
Yes, sir. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, sir.
Minus 3, minus 1.
Minus 1 by 2.
Correct, Dhawan. Okay, thank you. Next, I'll move to the. Suppose if you are not comfortable, means you can verify. I already told that. Other method. Okay. What is the other method? I told that. You need to replace y equal to what? X plus 2 and x is equal to y minus 2. So substitute. Only the first term is little bit problematic. because it is power 4. So remaining everything power 3 square, and just you have x. So you can verify. Okay, you will get this equation initially, the transformed equation. Okay, you will get this transformed equation. So please write next column. Transform the equation x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 48x square minus 72x plus 35 equal to 0 into one in which the term in x cube is missing or absent. Okay, and hence solve the equation. Okay, so for this I am going to use this idea. Initially, so to diminish the roots, okay, here I got the equation. This is if the term y power n minus 1, that is the second term. Okay, the second term is absent. Okay, the second term is absent. Then what? A naught n h plus a1 equal to 0. From this, what is h? H is equal to minus a1 by n a naught. Here also the second term is missing. Where? Yes, here. Okay, in which the x cube is what? The second term is missing. So I need to use h is equal to minus a1 by n a naught minus a1 is what? A1 is minus 12. N is the degree of the polynomial 4. A naught is 1. A naught is 1. So 12 by 4 is 3. So I need to diminish the roots of this equation. Diminish the roots of the equation x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 48x square minus 72x plus 35 equal to 0. I call this is 1 by this 3. Okay, diminish the roots of this equation by 3. So please tell the coefficient.
1
1
minus 12,
Minus 12.
minus 12,
48
48.
minus 72,
72.
Okay,
35.
yeah, and then diminish by 3. 1 minus plus 3
Minus 9,
minus 9
minus 27,
7. This is what?
21.
21. 63. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Minus 9 minus 27. 8. So similarly, you can do it. 3, 1.
0,
Yeah.
3,
Minus 6 minus 18. 3, 9,
0,
0. 3, 1, 3 minus 3,
3,
minus 9,
minus
minus 6.
minus 6,
1, 3, 0. So the transformed equation is x power 4 minus 6x square plus 8 equal to 0. Okay. So now we need to take x square equal to x square equal to t. So we have t square minus 60 plus 8 equal to 0. So t minus 4,
4 2 sir.
yeah, t minus 2 equal to 0. So t equal to
4
4 comma 2. So this is x square. Okay, t equal to x square. So 4 comma 2. So x is equal to plus or minus 2 and plus or minus root 2. So the roots of equation 2 are the roots of equation, this is 2. This is 1. Okay. Actually, I need to solve this equation. Okay. Okay. The transformed equation, this is a transformed equation. Here you can see that the term x cube term is missing. Okay. So x cube term is missing here. So roots of equation 1. Okay, equation 1. So this is actually what roots of equation 2 are. This is roots of equation 2. Okay, the roots of equation 1 are, what is the roots of equation 1? I will write in the increasing order, minus root 2. Actually, I diminished by 3. So I need to add what? Plus 3. So next, root 2. Okay, root 2 plus 3 and then minus. Okay, so minus.
Excuse
2.
me, sir.
Yeah, please go.
Sir, they have asked only the roots of the solved transformed equation, sir.
No. Actually, transform the equation. Okay, so and hence solve the equation. And solve the equation means this equation. Okay, so not only the transformed equation, the one.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, so actually that is the meaning. Okay, so we need to first transform this equation in which the term x cube term is missing, and hence solve the equation means you thought that you need to solve the transformed equation. Actually, that is not usually the case. I need to solve the given equation. So first you need to find the roots of the transformed equation. From the transformed equation, we need to find the roots of the given equation also. Okay. So minus 2 plus 3 and then plus 2 plus 3. So final answer is what? 3 minus root 2 or okay, 3 plus root 2 and then 1 and then 5. So this is the roots of equation 1. So the first problem here, diminish or decrease the roots by 2 and hence solve it. So first you should diminish by 2. You'll get a transformed equation. Once you have the transformed equation, find the roots of the transformed equation, and finally add what? Add 2. Okay, you'll get the roots of the given equation. Okay. So second problem, increase by 7 the roots of this equation. That means you need to diminish by what? Minus 7.
Minus 7.
Diminish by, correct Paritosh, diminish by minus 7. You'll get the transformed equation. Find the roots of the transformed equation. So after finding the roots of the transformed equation, need to add minus 7. Okay, in each of the roots of the transformed equation, you will get the roots of the given equation. Okay. Third problem, remove the second term. So actually, This question is similar to the previous problem. Okay, transform this equation in one which the second term, x cube term is missing. So here also this is second term. Okay, so same idea. H is equal to minus a1 by na naught. So use this idea, okay, and then you'll get the value of h, and then diminish here what? Here you got what? H is equal to 3. So diminish the roots of the given equation by what? 3. The same procedure you need to do it for these three problems. Okay. So next topic is transformation of equation. So here, what we are going to do, okay, so first I will explain that one and then we will go to the problem. If alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n are the roots of the equation f of x is equal to 0, the process of finding the equation whose roots are pi of alpha 1, pi of alpha 2, pi of alpha n, where pi is a specified function, okay, is known as a transformation of equation. To find the equation whose roots are pi of alpha 1, pi of alpha 2, and so on, we proceed as follows. Okay, first step, if x represents a root of f of x is equal to 0 and y represents the corresponding root of the transformed equation, then y is equal to pi of x is called the transformation relation. To find the required equation, that is the equation satisfied by y, we have to eliminate x between f of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to pi of x. So this is a procedure. Now first question, multiply the roots of equation f of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 1 equal to 0 by 10. Multiply the roots of this equation by 10. So I need the equation, I don't need the roots, okay? So for this, first you should take the given equation. What is the given equation? F of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So let us take y equal to what? Actually, that is the if you find out the relation, you will find out the final answer. What is y?
10x.
10x.
Yeah, 10x is correct, Mithun. So x is a root. Okay, I need an equation whose roots are multiplied by 10. Okay. So I think Purnachandra also gave the answer. Y equal to 10x. So from equation 2, we have x is equal to y by 10. Substitute x is equal to y by 10 in equation 1. So we'll get what? Y by 10 whole cube minus y by 10 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So throughout multiply by 1000, we'll get y cube minus 100 y minus 1000, okay, is equal to 0. So which is the required equation? Second problem, form the equation whose roots are the squares of the roots of this equation. So let us take f of x is equal to x cube minus x square plus 8x minus 6 is equal to 0. I call this is equation number 1. So what is the transformation here?
X square, sir.
Yeah, y equal to x square. Yes, correct. So this implies x is equal to root y. Substitute x is equal to root y in 1. So you'll get y cube power 3 root y power 3 minus root y whole square plus 8 into root y minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is y root y minus y plus 8 into root y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now group the first term and third term. The first term and third term root y is common. So y plus 8 into root y. Okay, I will write this y and minus 6 the right hand side. So y plus 6. I want to eliminate the square term. So squaring on both sides. If you squaring on both sides, you will get what? Y plus 8 whole square into y is equal to y plus 6 whole square. So y plus 8 whole square into y is equal to y plus 6 whole square. So expand this one. If you expand this one, you will get what? Y square plus 2ab is what? 16y plus 64 into y is equal to y square plus 12y plus 36. So y cube plus 16y square plus 64y is equal to y square plus 12y plus 36. So now what is the third equation? Y cube plus 15y square 64 12, so 52 minus 36 is equal to 0. So which is the required equation? Okay. So write the next problem. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this cubic equation, x cube minus x minus 1 equal to 0, okay, prove that 1 minus alpha, 1 plus alpha by 1 minus alpha plus 1 plus beta by 1 minus beta plus 1 plus gamma by 1 minus gamma is equal to minus 7. Solution. So what is given? F of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is equation number 1. So roots of equation 1 are alpha, beta, gamma. Okay. To find the equation, now I am going to prove this one. Okay, wow. So directly you can't prove. So first I am going to find an equation whose roots are what? Anybody? Whose roots
Alpha
are
plus 1, beta plus 1, gamma plus 1, sir.
1 plus alpha by 1 minus alpha, 1 plus beta divided by 1 minus beta, 1 plus gamma divided by 1 minus gamma. Suppose if I find the equation, this is nothing but what? S1
Yes, sir.
some other roots. Okay, va? So directly you can find the S1. So this is an idea. Actually, they don't give. They don't give. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation, okay. Find the equation whose roots are. Find the equation whose roots are 1 plus alpha by 1 minus alpha, 1 plus beta by 1 minus beta, 1 plus gamma by 1 minus gamma. Then you know that easily you can find. You can easily form. But they gave some of these roots, that is S1. They need to prove this. So from this, the left hand side, okay, you need to know that first we need to form the equation whose roots are 1 plus alpha by 1 minus alpha, comma 1 plus beta by 1 minus beta, and 1 plus gamma by 1 minus gamma. And then if you add this, you'll get easily find the sum. Okay, that is S1. Now here, let us take. Usually we'll take what? Y equal to the previous problem. The first problem y equal to what? 10x. The second problem y equal to what? X square. So in this problem y equal to what?
1 plus x by 1 minus x.
1 plus x by 1 minus x.
Yeah, you are right. You are right. I think you are correct. First, I will write 1 plus alpha by 1 minus alpha, and then I will write, because alpha is the root of this equation. What you told is exactly correct. I will write one more step. That's all. Okay. So this is, I call equation 2. Now cross multiply. Okay, va? Okay. If you cross multiply, you will get what? Okay. Now, actually, I need to solve equation 1 and what? 2 to eliminate what? X. To eliminate. Actually, the idea is from this you should write x in terms of y. From equation 2, you should write x in terms of y, and then substitute here. Okay, we'll get a equation in y. So that is an idea. Okay. So I will write to eliminate. So if you got the idea, you can proceed without my help. To eliminate x between 1 and 2. Okay. From 2, cross multiply. To cross multiply, you'll get what? 1 minus x into y equal to 1 plus x. 1 minus x into y equal to 1 plus x.
X is equal to y minus 1 by y plus 1 also.
X is equal to y minus 1 by y plus 1, correct, the one. Okay. So from this, I need x in terms of y. Y minus xy equal to 1 plus x. Okay. Or you can write minus x minus xy equal to 1 minus y. Take minus x commonly, 1 plus y equal to 1 minus y. Okay, I need this implies minus x is equal to what? Minus x is equal to 1 minus y by 1 plus y. I need x, y minus 1 by y plus 1. Now substitute the value of x in equation 1. So put x is equal to y minus 1 divided by y plus 1 in equation 1. So we get, so please tell, substitute first to x cube. X cube is what? Y minus 1 divided by y plus 1 whole cube minus minus x plus 1 minus x minus 1. It is y minus 1 divided by y plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So now throughout multiply by y plus 1 whole cube. So y minus 1 whole cube minus y plus 1 whole square into y minus 1 minus y plus 1 whole cube is equal to 0. So next you need to expand, okay, expansion. Okay, a cube minus 3a 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube, okay, minus if we expand minus of y minus 1 minus of y minus 1 into y plus 1 whole square, y square plus 1 plus 2y minus, again expand this one, you get y cube plus 3y square plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now here plus 3 plus y cube minus y cube gets cancelled. Minus, okay, I think, yes, okay. If I add these two, we'll get what? Minus 6y square. Okay, and plus 3y minus 3y gets cancelled. Minus 1 is minus 2 minus y minus 1. Okay, I need to take a product. Y cube plus y plus y cube plus y plus 2y square minus y square minus 1 minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, so here minus 6y square minus 2 minus of okay, I think only y cube is y cube minus y cube. How many y square term? Plus y square, but here have minus, so minus y square minus y, so minus of minus plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so throughout multiply by minus 1. Okay, you get what? Y cube how many y square? Minus 7y square. If we multiply by minus, so plus 7y square. How many y? Plus y, so minus y. Then constant term is minus 1, so multiply by minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0 is the transformed equation. Is the transformed equation whose roots are 1 plus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha, 1 plus beta divided by 1 minus beta, 1 plus gamma divided by 1 minus gamma. Okay. So now actually I need sum of these roots, that is S1, 1 plus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha plus 1 plus beta divided by 1 minus beta plus 1 plus gamma divided by 1 minus gamma is equal to minus 7. Okay, is equal to minus coefficient of y square divided by coefficient of y cube minus 7 divided by 1, that is equal to minus 7. So that's all. Okay. So next, I think this is the last problem. Check the time. Okay. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x cube plus px plus q equal to 0, form the equation whose roots are alpha minus beta whole square, beta minus gamma whole square, gamma minus alpha whole square, and hence find the value of this expression. Find the value of this expression. Solution. So what is given equation? X cube plus px plus q equal to 0. So this is the given equation, whose roots are, we know that alpha, beta, gamma. Okay. So I need to find the product of these values. Okay. So for this, first I am going to form the equation whose roots are what? Whose roots are alpha minus beta whole square. Okay. And beta minus gamma whole square. And then gamma minus alpha whole square. So if I find the find the equation whose roots are like this, then S3 is what? Product of these three. Okay, then you can easily find the value of this expression. So for this, let us take the substitution. What is the substitution? Okay. Can anyone tell what is the substitution? Here, y equal to, the previous case, what I took, the substitution.
Sir, here two variables are present, sir. How can we?
That's why I told that. He told 1 plus x by 1 minus x directly. Okay, but I wrote what? 1 plus alpha by 1 minus alpha, and then I replace alpha by what? X. Okay, similarly, you need to think about here. See here, y should be what? Alpha minus beta whole square.
Sir, then 0 will come, sir. Because alpha is also a root of the equation x cube plus px plus q, and beta is also a root of the equation, sir.
Right. But I am going to form the equation. I already told that I am going to form the equation whose roots are alpha minus beta whole square, beta minus gamma whole square. Okay, gamma minus alpha whole square. So the difference, okay, the difference is square. Okay, so I am going to form the equation whose roots are like this. So then I am going to write this is alpha plus beta whole square. Okay, alpha plus beta whole square means alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So otherwise you can write what? Minus
4 alpha beta.
Yeah, minus 4 alpha beta. Because 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta, you have here minus 2 alpha beta. What is next step, Paritosh? Can you guess? What's the next step?
Substituting x, sir. 2x whole square minus
alpha.
4x square.
No.
Sir, alpha plus beta is equal to sum of the roots.
Alpha plus beta is sum of the roots.
So gamma will
Gamma I need. Okay, so I need gamma. Okay, that's why I need
plus gamma minus.
Yeah. Is it correct? Is it correct now?
Yes, sir.
Now here also I need gamma. Is it correct?
Gamma by divide and multiply.
Yeah, divide and multiply.
Here alpha plus beta plus gamma
Yeah.
0, sir.
So now alpha plus beta plus gamma is what?
0, sir.
Quotient of x square. 0.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 0. This is 0 minus gamma whole square minus 4 into what is product of the root? S3
Q's.
minus q.
Yes, sir, minus Q.
Yeah, minus q divided by.
Gamma.
So if you want, you can write here S1 equal to 0. That's why here 0. And S3 is alpha, beta, gamma. That is minus Q. Okay. So this is Y. So Y equal to gamma square. Okay, minus of gamma whole square is gamma square plus 4Q by gamma. I will write. Chandra, please mute your side. Yeah. Gamma square plus 4Q by gamma. Now we know that gamma is root of this equation. Now you can replace gamma by x. So y equal to x square plus 4Q divided by x. Since gamma is a root of equation 1, equation 1. Okay. So now this is a relation. This is the relation. Okay. Va? So in the previous case, what is the relation? Y is equal to 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Okay. Va? So like this, now only I have the relation. Okay. Sometimes you can
Sir.
get, yeah.
Sir, in the previous, can you show the previous page on it, sir? Sir, in that alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta, this each alpha and beta are root of the equation, sir. So why can't we directly substitute x in place of them?
Here,
Yes, sir. X plus x the whole square minus 4x square. So, no, in the second term, you have to use the, you can proceed by the method you followed, sir. For the first term alone, we can directly substitute, no, sir. X plus x
here,
the whole
okay,
square.
I
It
want
will
to
be
tell,
0 now, sir.
yeah, actually, yeah, it is actually 0. If I do like this, what
Yes,
happens?
sir. So only I told for the second term alone, we can do by your method, sir.
Second,
4 into minus q by gamma for alpha plus beta 2x the whole square, sir.
I don't understand the one. Which step you are want to do it? Please tell. I think first step is okay.
Yes, sir. And the
Second
second step, sir, alpha plus beta, instead of alpha and beta, we can write as x and x plus x, no, sir.
you are writing x plus x.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. X plus
X
x the
plus,
whole square, sir.
ah,
Minus 4, instead of 4 alpha beta, the step you used, sir. Minus 4 alpha beta gamma by gamma, sir.
okay. You are telling this is a 2x square. This
Yes,
is
sir.
4x
Yes, sir.
square. Okay. Minus
Plus 4q by r, sir.
plus 4q by,
R.
okay. R gamma. Okay. Va?
Sorry, sir, gamma.
Ah,
Like that, can we proceed, sir?
okay. Please write. I want to 4q by gamma. I have x square. Okay. I have x square. Here how. What is the mistake if I am doing like this? Can anyone tell?
Sir, both are same, sir.
Both are same. Both are same means here I have the relation y equal to 4x square plus 4q by gamma. But here I have x square plus 4q by x. Okay. So that means y equal to q. Okay. That means what? Y equal to here. Y equal to 4x square plus 4q by, instead of gamma also we need to replace by x. Okay, 4q by x. Instead of x square I have what here? 4x square.
4x square, sir.
Okay. So I think we need to verify that one. Okay. Which one is the most simplified form, Uddhavan?
The one you used, sir.
Yes. So that is better to do by this method. If you want to do, you can verify by using this method. Okay. Only thing we have extra this 4. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will
Okay.
try, sir. So usually we will write the given expression. You should try to convert S1, S2, S3. Okay, in any one of the form. Then you can write in terms of coefficients. So that is the technique usually we will use. That's why I add and subtract gamma here. Okay, so this is the relation I have. Okay, so y equal to x square plus 4q by x. So we are replacing gamma by x because gamma is the root of the equation 1. Okay, now we need to eliminate x between equation 1. Equation 1 is the given equation and the relation. Okay. Okay. So now from equation 2, we have, if we multiply throughout by x, xy equal to, you'll get what? X cube plus 4q. So from this we have x cube minus xy, x cube minus xy plus 4q equal to 0. I call this is equation number 3. Okay, so 3. So now I am going to add equation 1 and 3. Okay, add பண்ணலாமா subtract பண்ணலாமா? Okay, subtract பண்ணுங்க. 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 subtract பண்ணும்போது என்ன வரும்? Please tell what is 1? X cube plus px, x cube plus px plus q minus x cube minus xy plus 4q is equal to 0. So x cube gets cancelled. We'll get what? Px plus xy, px plus xy. Okay, px plus xy plus q minus 4q minus 4q plus q minus 4q is what? Minus 3q minus 3q is equal to 0. From these two terms I took commonly what? X common at I will get p plus y equal to 3q. So from this, what is x? X in terms of y, that is 3q divided by p plus y. Now substitute the value of this x in the given equation. Put x is equal to 3q divided by p plus y in equation 1. So we get, so what is the given equation? X cube plus px plus q. X cube plus x cube means 3q divided by p plus y. Sorry. P plus y, x cube plus px, p into x plus q is equal to 0. So now throw out multiply by p plus y whole cube. If you throw out multiply by
p plus y whole cube, you will get a 3q whole power q, 3q whole power q plus 3pq plus 3pq into p plus q whole square, p plus y, not p plus q, p plus y whole square, and then plus q into p plus y whole cube, q into p plus y whole cube, is equal to 0. So remaining part is simplification. So simplified, tell 27q cube plus 3pq a plus b whole square, p square plus 2py plus y square plus p into a plus b whole cube, p cube plus 3p square y plus 3py square plus y cube is equal to 0. Okay. So 27 q cube plus 3 p cube q, okay, p cube q plus 6 p square q y plus 3 pq y square plus p power 4 plus 3 p cube y, p y plus
Sir,
ah,
sir,
It is not P, sir.
P, sir. Here Q
Q,
is there.
sir.
here q
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
okay, thank you. This is q. So I think I'll need to erase these 3 steps. Okay, I think it's 3 pq square. Okay, please tell
P
pq
cube Q
q. Okay, yeah, plus
plus 3P square QY
p square qy plus
plus 3PQY square
3pq y square plus
Y cube Q is equal
yeah,
to 0.
okay, yeah, q equal to. Thank you, Paritosh. Now I need to write first coefficient of higher power y. What is the coefficient of y? I think y cube. Y cube. What is the y cube term here? Coefficient of y cube is qy cube. Y cube. And then what is the coefficient of y square? Here, here. Okay, so 6pq. Is it correct? 6pq y square, because I have y square only here only, and the y term is here and here. Okay, so totally what? 9 p square q into y. Okay, y is also over, and then constant term. This is the constant term. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are constant term. 27q cube. Okay, and then 3 pq. Here I have pq. So 4 pq q. Okay, and then plus that's all. Okay, that's all. I think so. Okay, please check it. Suppose if I done any mistake, please point out quickly.
Correct, sir.
Okay, so this is the okay. So now this is the transformed equation. This is the required equation. Is the required constant term வந்துட்டு 27 QQ. Okay. I'm adding PPQ. Okay, 4PQ. Okay, y square, y square, yq. Yes. This is the required equation. Required equation or transformed equation whose roots are what? Whose roots are
Alpha minus beta whole
beta whole
square.
square.
Beta
Upon
minus gamma whole square.
beta minus gamma whole, sorry, beta minus gamma whole square and
Gamma minus alpha whole square.
whole square. Okay. So now S3. S3 is equal to what? Alpha minus beta whole square into beta minus gamma whole square into gamma minus alpha whole square is equal to minus of what? Minus of, I'll write here, minus of the numerator
27 q cube
27 QQ
plus
plus,
4 p cube q.
yeah, plus 4 PQ Q. Okay.
Divided by q.
Divided by the coefficient of YQ. Yes. Okay. So I think the numerator Q is common. So if you take Q common, then cancel the Q, cancel the term Q, take it commonly Q, and then minus 27 Q square minus 4 PQ. So this is the final answer. Okay. This is the final answer. I will give some practice problem. Okay. But you should tell how to proceed. Okay. Then, okay. First you should tell how to proceed. Then you can try. So the first problem is, so please write the problem. Form the equation whose roots are cubes of x, cubes of the equation x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 equal to 0. So how to proceed this problem? Please tell.
So
Y
y
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
x
x cube.
Yeah, y equal to
X cube.
x cube. Okay. So this is the procedure, y equal to x cube. Okay. What about the for problem 2? Okay, suppose y equal to x cube, first you are taking, okay, and then, okay, what is the second step? What you will do after y equal to x cube?
Substitute in the equation, sir. X is equal to cube root of y.
Cube root of y substitute பண்ணலாம். Okay, correct. Whatever you told. So otherwise, instead of this x cube, you can do it what? Y
Sir.
minus, keep this x square plus 14x minus 8. So this is another idea. Okay, what you told is exactly correct. Okay, I will keep y minus 8 left hand side, the remaining terms x on the right hand side. What is common here? You can take
7x.
yeah, 7. Okay, 7x also you can take common, or 7x, first write 7x square minus 14x. So y minus 8. Okay, so I will take 7. Okay, I will take 7x common or 7 common. Okay, x square minus 2x. What happened? Now, I want to take the cube on both sides because I need x cube. I need what? X cube. So if I take here x is also common, what happened? Please tell. If I take x is also common, x minus 2, okay. Okay. So if I need the x cube term, y minus 8 whole cube. Okay, this is equal to 7 cube x cube. Again, I have what? X minus 2 whole cube. X minus 2 whole cube. So instead of this x cube, I can replace by what? Y. But here I have what? X minus 2 whole square whole cube. So x cube, okay, no problem. X cube, no problem. And then a square b term என்ன வரும்? You have x square, x
minus
minus
6x square
minus 6x square
minus 8
minus 8
plus
12x.
12x.
Yes, sir.
So okay, so I think this is okay. Here you can replace by what? Y. Only the problem is x minus 2 whole cube. So I expanded x minus 2 whole cube separately. Here also I have x cube. You can replace by what? Y. Minus 8 is no problem. Minus 6x square plus 12x. So what is common here? What is common?
Minus
here?
6x.
Minus 6x is common. So what is remaining?
Minus x.
Okay, I will take minus 6 is common. What is remaining? X square minus 2. Is it correct?
2x, sir.
X square minus 2x.
2x.
Yes, x square minus 2x. Okay, what is x square minus 2x from this relation?
Y minus 8 by 7.
Y minus 8 by 7.
That's up. Y minus 8 by 7. So this is also another method. Okay, got it? Or whatever you told, you can proceed that method also. Okay. So I gave another idea. That's simplification. Okay, simplification only. So you need to try. Okay. Now second problem. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube plus px plus q equal to 0, form the equation whose roots are 1 by alpha, 1 by alpha cube, 1 by beta cube, 1 by gamma cube, and hence find the value of summation 1 by alpha. So sometimes they don't give this. They don't give what is in the bracket. They just give find the value of summation 1 by alpha. So you should know what is the meaning of summation 1 by alpha cube. The summation 1 by alpha cube is 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube, 1 by gamma cube. So how you will proceed here for the second problem?
So
Y is
let
equal
y
to
is
1
equal
by
to
x
1
cube.
by alpha cube
Yeah,
is
1
equal to 1 by x cube.
Yeah, x is equal to 1 by alpha cube. Y,
So y is equal to
y equal to 1 by alpha cube
is equal to 1 by x
x
cube.
cube. Okay. From this x cube y square x cube equal to what?
1 by y.
X cube equal to 1 by y. X cube equal to 1 by y. You need to replace x is equal to 1 by y whole power 1 by 3, or otherwise you can replace x cube by what? 1 by y. Okay, 1 by y, and 1 by y plus q, you can keep it. This minus px plus px is going that side, minus px. So now taking cube on both sides. If you take cube on both sides, we'll get what? 1 by y plus y whole cube is equal to what? Minus p into x cube. X cube is what? X
1
cube
by
is
y.
1 by
yes, 1 by y.
Sir, p cube. Sir.
P cube, yes. So if you expand this equation, you'll get the final answer. Okay. So I need the answer in terms of y. The first step is y equal to 1 by x cube. From this x cube, I got 1 by y. Okay. So I'm substituting x cube equal to 1 by y in this equation. So that is 1 by y plus q is equal to minus px. I need x cube, that's why take cube on both sides. 1 by y plus q whole cube equal to minus p cube. X cube is what? 1 by y. Okay, I think you know how to proceed from here onwards. So I left to you. Once you find the equation, and then you need to what? S1. Okay, what? S1. Using S1, you need to find this value. Okay. Third problem, last column. Okay, in this column, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation, okay, form the equation, form the equation whose roots are alpha, beta plus 1 by gamma, comma, beta, gamma plus 1 by alpha, comma, gamma, alpha plus 1 by beta. So I'll just give a hint for subdivision 1 and subdivision 2. So how you will proceed? Y equal to alpha beta plus 1 by gamma. What is the next step? Alpha beta
For
gamma
beta gamma plus 1.
by gamma plus 1 by gamma. What?
Yes, sir.
What is alpha beta gamma?
Plus R.
Plus R. R. Okay, plus R by, this is gamma. This is gamma plus 1 by gamma. This is R, this is gamma. But we know that gamma is the root of the given equation. So you can replace gamma by x. So R by x plus 1 by x, or R plus 1 divided by x. Okay, just cross multiply, you'll get what? Xy equal to R plus 1, or I need y in terms of x, y equal to R plus 1 by x. Substitute y equal to R plus 1.
Sir, we need x in terms of y.
Sorry. Paritosh. X in terms of y, yeah.
Yes, sir. X is equal to r plus 1 upon y.
Yeah, yes. Thank you. X is equal to what? R plus 1 by y, yeah. Sorry. I need to, yes. X is equal to R plus 1 by y. So we need to substitute x is equal to R plus 1 by y in this equation. So you'll get final answer y cube plus coefficient of y cube, coefficient of y square, coefficient of y plus constant term. I just put a bracket. You need to find these things. Okay. For subdivision 2. Subdivision 2 hint என்ன கொடுக்கலாம் சொல்லுங்க. Y equal to what? Y equal to alpha divided by
beta plus gamma by minus alpha.
Beta plus gamma minus alpha, correct with the one. So என்ன பண்ணலாம் சொல்லு. Next.
Plus alpha minus alpha. Sir.
அவ்வளவுதான். Plus alpha minus alpha பண்ணலாமா கொடுக்கலாமா? சரி. அப்ப alpha, so plus alpha beta gamma minus alpha again minus alpha. So what is S1? It is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus P.
Yes, sir. Plus P, sir.
Plus P minus 2 alpha. So instead of alpha, replace by what? X, correct. By P minus 2x. So okay, cross multiply பண்ணுங்க. Y into P minus 2x, P minus 2x is equal to x. So we need x in terms of y. Okay, va? So yp, okay, minus 2xy, okay, minus x is equal to 0. I need x in terms of y. Yeah. Sorry. Minus x common எடுத்தானா வரும். 1 plus 2y is equal to minus yp. This implies x is equal to yp divided by 1 plus 2y. So substitute this in the equation, first equation. The final answer should be what? Again, y cube plus coefficient of y square, a coefficient of y, and then constant term is equal to 0. So do it. And one more thing I want to tell you about in the last class I told that in your book, the Virarajan book, exercise 2A. So totally in exercise 2A, in part A, 12 questions, part B, 20 questions. So 50 percentage, okay, you need to do all the problems, but you need to upload 50 percentage of part A. That is of 6 questions, any 6 questions from part A, and any 10 questions from part B. Suppose in the part B, I suppose more than 2 subdivision, or sometimes more than 1 subdivision, okay, 2, 3 subdivision. It is enough to do it only 1 subdivision is enough. So 6 plus 10, so 16 questions. When you will do it? What is the last date you need? Suppose if you tell, I will give the same date. Otherwise, I will fix the date. That's why I'm asking you. Whether you are you need a date before 26 or after 26.
After 26 is good,
After
sir.
26, yeah. Okay. So after 26 means 31st of December vachikkalama. Is it okay?
Okay.
Yeah, 31st of December, you need to finish. Still you have 12 days, okay, for next assignment. Okay, thank you.
Sir, theory of equations only, no, sir?
Theory of equations?
Work, sir. 31st due date, sir.
Yeah, yes. In theory of equation, only one exercise I told. There is one more exercise also in the book.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
This is the first exercise. That is the exercise number 2A. Okay, exercise number 2A. 6 plus 10 questions. Part A 6 questions. Part B 10 questions. You need to upload it on or before 31st of December. Okay. Thank you.